financial analyst and investor, Yannick Naud. Yannick, many thanks for joining us. What can you tell us about this detonation, particularly, obviously, notwithstanding the fact that you're not a nuclear scientist?
Yes. When we look at the magnitude of the quake, we can assume, and the location of it, we can assume at what kind of size the device is. And by the look of it, it should be the similar size from the last explosion, which was in 2013, around 6 megaton, in fact. Mm-hmm. It is not bigger than the previous explosion, which was a classic A-bomb, and therefore there is some doubt that it is a hydrogen bomb, because usually hydrogen bombs are multiple of the size. So it might have been a hydrogen bomb that didn't go off as well as expected, or just a classic bomb.
So basically, this is not an escalation then, in your view?
Well, I mean, it is the fourth explosion. We have the first one in 2006, 2009, 2013, and now 2016. So it is an escalation in the fact that since Kim Jong-un arrived in the power 4 years ago, there has been more nuclear tests than before. Having said that, in terms of the size and the capability of North Korea, we don't have the evidence yet that they have increased capability compared to a couple of years ago. Kim Jong-un claimed last month that he had a hydrogen bomb. Mm-hmm. The test of today is not a guarantee that it's for sure.
I mean, as far as the markets are concerned, we just saw there that there was a blip, yes, across the stock markets, but it's in particular in the FX trade that we've seen yes, reaction to this. Why is that?
Well, the one is down, I think, 0.8% on the day. It's 3 months low, so there's an impact. The KOSPI, which is the equity index, went down 1% and finished at minus 0.3%, less of an impact. It's very difficult to know if the one is lower just because of the geopolitical.
I mean, how do they quantify risk when they're looking at this sort of thing?
Well, I think in Asia, the main risk for the entire area is China and the slowdown in China. I mean, we have the same, the things didn't change since the second half of last year. It's the news from China impacts the rest of the economy.
So that's the bigger risk?
Yes. If we look at what's happened historically during the 3 previous nuclear bomb explosion tests, the market did rally in average in the last 3 months after the explosion. So historically speaking, financial markets are not really impacted over the medium term by those tests, and it's very likely that it will be the same this time again.